Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Moomoo account. So here we have the Moomoo application. So when you're first going to register, this is how you do it. So it's going to ask you to sign up with your email or mobile number. So I've chosen my email, and then from there, this is the second page. So here you're going to choose if you're a Singaporean citizen or a Singaporean permanent resident or a foreigner residing in Singapore or other. So we're going to select other since we're not Singaporean right here. So here, welcome on board. You're going to have your passport, identity card, or employment status if applicable. Proof of address is also going to be needed when doing this. So we're going to press next. From here, we're going to select our citizenship, place of birth, the type of ID we're going to use, our passport number, and your expiry date, or the name or the middle name, last name, gender, and of course the selection right here of date of birth. And then next, you're going to have to provide those passport or the government ID that you have chosen right here, as you can see. So once you have done that, you'll have to scan it, and then you'll have to send it with the verification with them, and then you'll be able to open an account with them within just a few days. So there you go, guys. That is how you open your Moomoo account right here. It's just that simple. So I'm gonna update you when I do open my Moomoo account. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.